When it comes to building the best landing pages, Thrive Architect versus Elementor is a debate that often comes up, but which one truly stands out for you? Today, we'll dive deep into both of these popular page builders, compare them head to head, and at the end, I'll give you a better alternative for achieving your landing page goals, so stick around, because what's coming up might just surprise you. First, let's talk about the user interface. Elementor's interface is known for being super intuitive with a clean, easy to navigate layout. It's designed so even beginners can dive in without a steep learning curve. Thrive Architect, on the other hand, also offers a drag-and-drop editor, but it tends to feel a little more robust and slightly more complex. While it offers great customization options, the learning curve can be a little steeper, especially if you're new to page building. Next thing, let's discuss design flexibility. Elementor shines with its wide variety of templates, giving users access to a huge library of pre-designed landing pages. It's a time saver, especially for those who need to get something up quickly. Thrive Architect offers some great templates too, but it's more focused on creating highly customizable landing pages, giving you deeper control over design elements like typography, colors, and layout. If you're after precision in customization, Thrive Architect could be the way to go. The third thing we need to look at is integrations. Elementor supports a wide array of third-party integrations with popular tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and others. Thrive Architect integrates well with its own suite of products, like Thrive Leads and Thrive Quiz Builder, but it's a little more limited when it comes to third-party plugins. If you're using a specific CRM or email marketing tool outside of the Thrive ecosystem, Elementor might be the more flexible choice here. Another key factor to consider is performance and speed. Elementor has been criticized in the past for slowing down websites, especially with large, content-heavy pages. Thrive Architect, however, is designed with performance in mind. It tends to create lighter, faster loading pages out of the box, which can be a big win when speed is a priority for your landing pages. If you're looking to optimize for load time and performance, Thrive Architect might have the edge here. Moving on to the pricing. Both of these builders have similar pricing structures, but Elementor's free version makes it a very appealing option for those just getting started. While the free version is a bit limited, you can do a lot with it without committing to the pro plan. Thrive Architect doesn't offer a free version, but the Thrive Suite bundle, which includes all their tools, can be a good value if you plan to use more than just the landing page builder. Finally, let's talk about the learning curve and support. Elementor offers extensive tutorials and a large user community, which can be really helpful if you get stuck. Thrive Architect has solid documentation and support, but it's not quite as widespread as Elementor's. If you're someone who values a large community and quick answers, Elementor could be the more attractive option. So, both Thrive Architect and Elementor are powerful tools in their own right, but if you're looking for an alternative that could take your landing page creation to the next level, there's something I've tried myself that outperforms both in key areas. The software I recommend offers better ease of use, speed, and integrations, and it's the perfect choice if you're serious about landing page optimization. If you're ready for the best alternative, check out the link in the description below for an exclusive free trial. Through our link, you'll get access to the best trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. Try it out today and elevate your landing page game.